everyone. My name is Ali, and today I'll be presenting my final project on communication in computer science. The goal of this project was to understand how communication works in tech industry and how it can be represented through visual infographic and what I've learned about it, its importance in my future careers. This project focuses on communication in computer science and why it is essential in professional environments. It will be discussing my research process, how I designed my infographic, and the key lessons I learned through this project. To begin with, I researched how communication is used in real world tech environments. I focused on three main areas: team collaboration, ethical communication, and intercultural communication. I didn't just look at definition, but also how communication directly impacts real world outcomes like project success, efficiency, and user trust. In computer science, developers rarely work alone. In computer science, developers rarely work alone. Most work in done in teams. This means communication is critical. Developers need to explain their code clearly, share ideas, and solve problems together. If communication is unclear, it can lead to bugs, delay, or even project failure. Another important area is ethical communication. This includes honesty, confidentiality, and maintaining quality in all communications. For example, developers must report issues accurately and project user data. Without ethical communication, trust, security in technology and can be seriously affected. I also research intercultural communication. Many tech teams today are global, meaning people work across different countries and cultures. Because of this, it is important to be respectful, open minded, and clear. Avoiding assumptions and making sure messages are understood correctly improves collaboration. One challenge I faced during my research was filtering through a large amount of general information. To overcome this, I focused only on ideas that directly apply to computer science, such as documentation, teamwork, and professional communication. After completing my research, I translated my findings into an infographic. I organized the information into clear sections so it is easy to follow, and I focus keeping the layout simple and structured. My goal was to present complex ideas in a way that is quick to understand and visually clear. This is the infographic I created based on my research. It is divided into key sections like team communication, ethical communication, and intercultural communication. Instead of using large fonts of text, I focused on key points and visuals to make the information easy to understand. The research reflects how communication in computer science should be clear, organized, and efficient. Design choices. My design choices were intentional. I used minimal text to keep infographic concise and easy to read. Also used structured layouts so the viewer can follow information step by step. Visual elements and icons were used to support the content and improve understandings. Key learnings through these projects, I learned that communication is a critical skill in computer science. Poor communication can lead to serious issues like bugs, delays, and even system failures. On the other hand, clear communication improves teamwork and overall project success. In my future career as a computer science analyst, I will apply these communication skills by writing clear code, communicating effectively in teams, and maintaining ethical standards. I will also make sure to communicate respectfully in diverse global environments. In conclusion, this project showed me that communication in computer science involves clarity, ethics, and collaboration. It is not just a soft skill, but a core requirement for success in the tech industry. Thank you for listening.